What is ethical hacking's impact on XSS prevention research? Imagine a world where web applications are constantly tested for weaknesses before hackers can find them. That's where ethical hacking plays a big role in fighting cross-site scripting attacks. Ethical hackers act like friendly spies, trying to find vulnerabilities in websites and applications. They simulate real-world attacks, including XSS techniques, to see where security might break down. This helps developers understand how malicious scripts could sneak into their systems through user inputs like forms or comment sections. When these hackers find weaknesses, they report them so they can be fixed before bad actors exploit them. Ethical hacking impacts XSS prevention research in several ways. First, it helps find vulnerabilities early in the development process. By performing penetration tests on backend systems, APIs, and databases, ethical hackers reveal flaws that could allow malicious scripts to run. This early detection means developers can patch issues before the application goes live. Second, ethical hackers test how well existing defenses work. They evaluate input validation, output encoding, and content security policies to see if they hold up against new attack methods. This testing helps improve these defenses, making them stronger against evolving XSS techniques. Third, insights from ethical hacking guide developers in writing more secure code. For example, they learn to implement strict input validation that rejects harmful data, and to encode output properly so scripts cannot execute. They also learn to use security headers like content security policy to restrict untrusted scripts from running. Fourth, ethical hacking drives the creation of better tools. Automated scanners and analysis programs are developed to detect XSS vulnerabilities more efficiently, saving time and reducing human error. These tools are regularly updated based on findings from ethical hacking exercises. Finally, ethical hackers keep security teams aware of emerging attack methods. They identify new types of XSS, such as DOM-based or mutation-based attacks, which are tricky to detect. This ongoing research helps developers stay ahead of hackers by continuously updating security practices. From a back-end security perspective, ethical hacking encourages a layered approach. This includes validating user inputs, encoding outputs, setting security headers, and conducting regular security audits. These steps work together to create a strong shield against XSS threats. In short, ethical hacking has a direct influence on XSS prevention research by exposing real attack techniques and testing defenses. This helps developers build safer APIs, databases, and server-side logic. It makes security practices more straightforward by providing practical feedback and clear steps to improve defenses. Ethical hacking is like a friendly guide that points out vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them, making the web a safer place for everyone.